Hello and welcome to the Clever Fox YouTube channel. My name is Ilysse and today we are going to be comparing two budget planners. We have the Clever Fox Budget Planner here and the Clever Fox Budget Planner Pro, and we're going to talk about, besides the size, what are the differences in these two planners so that you can make a decision and decide which one is going to be best for you in terms of setting your financial goals, setting and maintaining a budget, and achieving financial success. So make sure that you watch through the whole video so you don't miss any of the features and the differences between both planners. You are subscribed to our channel with that notification bell turned on so you get notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. All right, so let's dive into these planners, talk about some of the features, the differences, what's included so that you can decide what is going to work best for you. So I first want to talk about the size. Of course, the budget planner is a little bit smaller. It's about A5 size, and the Budget Planner Pro, let's use a ruler, is about 10 inches by 7, whereas the Budget Planner is about 8¼ by like 5 3/4. So if size is important to you and you want something smaller that can maybe fit in like a smaller purse or something, this might be the right one for you. If you're okay with a little bit bigger for like a backpack or a tote, or this is something that's going to stay at home with you and you don't have to worry about carrying it around, then the Pro may be the right choice. So they are both hardcover. I think that the Budget Planner cover might be a tiny bit softer, but really, yeah, I would say that the Pro has a little bit of a harder cover. They both have an elastic band to keep everything tight and secure, and a pen loop, and we have 3 bookmarks. So let's dive into the insides. So in terms of what it comes with, the Budget Planner comes with a few different sticker sheets. Some of these are used up already, so yours will not be when you purchase, and an accordion folder in the back for you to keep all of your things in there. And then the Pro not only comes with sticker sheets, but it also comes with cash envelopes for you. And I'm a big advocate of the cash envelope system. So we have 5 cash envelopes for you to use for your budgeting. So the front of the envelope is just pretty much blank. Clever Fox, stay organized, stay clever. And then the back says the category and the budget and actual. So let's say this was for your groceries. You would write your budget, maybe $300, and put the money in here and then write what you actually spent. You would tuck this flap in. These are a nice enough size that you could tuck them into your wallet and carry them around easily, or put them in your purse or whatever your carrying system might be. So the Pro comes with those envelopes, the regular does not. Okay, now let's get these side by side so we can kind of go through and see what the differences are when you first open the planners. So you have your introduction page, and then both planners have financial goals and a mind map. I'm going to show you in the regular planner because we already have this filled out. So there's space for 10 financial goals, which is amazing because you can write down all 10 if you know what they are, or you can write down a few and add to them as the year goes on. And then a mind map as to how you can achieve these goals. I also wanted to note there is an overview and kind of tutorial on how you can use each of the pages in here. So we will put that aside. Okay, next up we have the same page again in both planners, which is space for you to dive into your finances. So your strategy, new skills I need to learn to achieve my financial goals, my money affirmations for wealth and prosperity, and my tactics, actions I will take to earn more money, actions I will take to cut my expenses. So same here, this is shaded, this isn't, and you get a little bit, I'm gonna say more space, but it looks like it's just about the same amount of lines, even though it's more narrow. The next page in the Pro Planner is different than the next page in the Budget Planner. The next page in the Budget Planner has the year at a glance. So different things that are going to require money throughout the year. So whether it's a car registration, a family vacation, Mother's Day, or someone's birthday, this is a great spot to be able to write in those upcoming expenses. Then in the regular planner, we have this page, so again, filled out, but maybe let's look at a blank one. So the month and year with the monthly goals, checklist, income and savings, monthly calendar, and the monthly budget. It's a little bit more in depth when it comes to the Pro because you have a 2-page calendar, room for notes on the side, monthly goals, a to-do list, upcoming bills and expenses, income and savings. So again, it's more detailed than the regular planner, but you're not going to lose the monthly budget because you get the monthly budget in the Pro on the next page. And what I really love about the Pro is this big side here for your monthly budget where everything is categorized: home, food, healthcare, credit and loans, personal entertainment, transport, and the expense, the budgeted amount, and the actual amount. And then right next to it is this monthly budget review. One of the really important things when it comes to budget planning and reaching financial goals is actually to look at your budget at the end of the month, not just set it and forget it. We are going to look at it and really dive deep into a spending analysis and some reflection of the biggest wins. Did I achieve this month's goals? Did I meet my budget? Where did I have the most trouble? Actions I will take next month to increase my income, and actions I will take next month to cut my expenses. So I want to take a look here. We do have the monthly budget review in the budget planner. It's just at the end of the month versus having it here right at the start of the month. So after you get through the monthly budget page, there are expense trackers. So both planners have the same expense tracker: date, description, category, and amount. The regular planner comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. The Pro comes with 1, 2, 3 pages, and a page of notes and ideas. Small detail, this says notes and ideas, this says ideas and notes. So the Pro does give you a little bit more space to kind of get through everything in terms of evaluating your budget. I love that the Pro has the monthly budget review next to the monthly budget versus the regular, which has it at the end of the month. I think that it's just really helpful to be able to look at this all in one view. So then we are going to go through with the same things. This again is 12 months undated planner. And then let's go to the back because the rest of these are all going to be the same pages. So once you get through the 12 months of the planner, first of all, I want to point out, I love that these planners are so easy to lay flat and you don't have to worry about having something down to hold it or it's going to fold over on itself. It's just a really great feature of these planners, no matter what size you're working with. All right, now we are at the end of the planning part and there are a lot of pages to work with. So both planners have these savings trackers, so room to write what you're saving for, what amount is needed, and the due date. So there are 8 in the Pro and 8 in the regular. Then we have debt trackers, and again, it's going to be 2 full front and back pages, 3 full front and back pages of a debt tracker in both planners. Really thoughtfully designed and a lot of space for you to work on paying off your debt. And then we have the holiday budget. This is going to be the same in both planners. The regular has a little bit more categories filled in here versus this one being blank. So gifts, wrapping and cards, groceries and decorations. Then we have holiday gifts and holiday spending for you to track. And now we have regular bill tracker. So I don't know about you, but sometimes I forget if I've paid a bill or not. This is great because it gives you the opportunity to fill it all in. So let's talk about the details. So we are going to start with the month you are starting this planner. Again, it's undated, which is great because it means you can dive right in and you don't have to worry about waiting until January to start. Start today, start now. So you'll write the months up here and the bills down here. Now, there are there's 2 different ways that you can really use this. So let's say your mortgage or your rent stays the same every month like mine. You could write the amount here. So you could write rent, the amount, and then check it off or write the date once you've paid it. The other thing is that if you have bills that are varying, whether it's an electric bill, gas, something like that, or a credit card bill, you can write the amount and then a little check mark once it's been paid. So a ton of bills for you to work with. Then in the Pro, we have the annual summary, and we also have that in the regular. So the month, income, expenses, difference, and savings, and then your monthly expenses summary, which is great because as you are preparing next month's budget, it's always going to be important to look at the previous month and see how to sort of work through that. Plus, month to month, everything is not always going to be the same. Your budget in July may be different than your budget in December. So being able to have this annual summary when you are creating your budget is really helpful, because if you are looking to create your December 2022 budget, you could look back if you've been using this planner and see what your December 2021 budget looked like. Or if you are starting today, you can look back next year to see what this year's expenses looked like. After the monthly summary, we have a check register. In the regular, there is not a check register in the Pro. Here is some accounts information, so name, account, username, website, password, and hint, and notes, and then the dot grid pages. These are 120 GSM. They hold pen really well without a lot of bleed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, 5 in the regular budget planner. And it seems like there are a lot more in here. So 1, 2, 3, 26, 27, which is great. That's so much dot grid paper. So if there are a couple of things in here that you want, like the accounts and information or the check register, you can go ahead and jot these down. You can also use these pages kind of as worksheet notes in terms of creating your budget, writing down some things that might come up, brainstorming ways to to save money or earn more money. If a way that you're trying to earn more money is maybe selling items in your home, you could use this to keep track of that, any irregular income. So having these pages is really helpful just to kind of figure out everything that you are looking to do with your budget and help you stay on top of your financial goals. So those are the differences and a little bit of an overview for you between the budget planner and the budget Pro. They are similar, but there are a couple more features in the Pro that you may want to consider. And of course, the sizing is one of those as well. So let us know if you have any questions and which of these planners you are thinking about using. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel with the notification bell turned on. You can purchase these planners at cleverfoxplanner.com, and take care, and we will see you soon.